It's your boy Trey, and I'm back with another shoe review. As you can see, your boy got the Nike Air Griffey Max 1 right here, and it's beautiful. Man, if y'all haven't seen the Cincinnati Reds in person up close, I'm telling you, man, it's a beautiful shoe. The pictures don't do no justice. We're gonna do an unboxing, but before we do, if you plan on getting this shoe, I recommend y'all going a half size up. Because I know I used to have the original ones, and your boy made a mistake, man, and didn't go half size up. I thought it was true to size, but I learned a lot of these old Nikes, man, toe box is tight, small. You know what I'm saying? So go half size up, man. And that's what your boy did with these, man. I didn't hit on them. Your boy got them on stock X. It is what it is. I paid, I think, close to 2.5 for them, and I don't give a damn. Your boy really wanted the shoe. So we're gonna go ahead and take this shoe to the table and go ahead and do an unboxing. All right, let's go. All right, your boy's back. Your boy is back. All right, let's get to it. And your boy still sipping vodka, of course. Cheers. All right, before we do an unboxing, I want to say I got this hat from Lids today at the mall, and the original price is $34.99, and I got it on sale for $21, man. So yeah, your boy got a hat to go with these Griffey Cincinnati Reds, man. So oh yeah, I'm good to go. Your boy is on fleek as usual. All right, let's get into it. Ooh wee! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Let's go ahead and get these shoes on the table. Let's talk about it. So let's start with the insole. You have a red insole that say Nike in white. The strap, you have Nike right here. You see, Nike right there on the strap. Then you have number 24. Ken Griffey Jr. number 24 right there. All right, let's continue. Then you have the platinum leather. All that's leather right there, leather. That's gray. All that gray right there on the side, that's platinum leather. Then you have nubuck throughout the shoe. This gray right here, around that leather, is nubuck. See that? Nubuck. All right. You have a lot of Nike checks on here. You have one right here, toe box area, Nike check, red and white. Nubuck, of course. Then you have a Nike check in the back right there. Look at that, red and white. Nike check right there. All right. Then you have another Nike check at the bottom. So man, look at that baseball. It's on fire. Air bubble. You got two little air pockets right here. You got that long one right here in the back. A little small one going across. Then you have 1, 2, and 3. All right. So I just want to say, man, I really don't like buying shoes on StockX and GOAT. I'd rather get them from the actual store, you know, because you never know. I had a bad experience with GOAT about a year or two ago, and that's another story. But so what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.